Think towards the future. With the DCCA 1000 from Proponent Battery Services, you can enjoy all the advantages of a visionary device for the care and maintenance of your aircraft and helicopter batteries. Among other things, you have the option of displaying the charging and discharging process simultaneously and efficiently. The 10.1 inches touchscreen makes it easier to operate the device by making it easy to find all functions and information at a glance. With the charger analyzer, you could charge one battery and discharge a battery at the same time. The batteries can have different capacities, can be from different manufacturers, or can be different types. NiCd, lead acid. The battery charger analyzer adapts perfectly. The device can be set to work by time or voltage interval, depending on your needs. The DCCA 1000 charges with up to 60 amps while discharging with up to 80 amps. For added safety, there is an intelligent controller that triggers an emergency shutdown in volt set mode. Measurement jacks can be used to check the process on all individual cells. The charging process of all individual cells can also be checked while the batteries are being processed. Using a modern LAN or Wi-Fi connection, you have direct access to your charger analyzer and immediately receive the necessary analysis data for the charged or discharged battery. Trust in our more than 40 years of experience and take an important step towards the future. For more information, visit our website and contact our competent and friendly team.